Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable or disable the crossplay feature on the FIFA 23. Okay, so if you want to enable this feature, at first we have to go for the club tab. It's right here in this place. And right now all you have to do, just go for the settings. And right now pick matchmaking settings. And of course this option is linked to the Ultimate Team, and here we can enable and disable the crossplay. So for example, if you want to play with your friends, you are on PC, your friend is on PlayStation, you can make it by enable this option. But if you want to get rid of that, you can just set no and go back, and these settings will be applied. So yeah, that's how we can enable and disable this option. That's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.